What can be said about Sir Michael Palin? Today, being his 77th birthday, I felt it necessary to pay tribute to such a comedic giant. Michael was the one in the group to have the best off-the-wall ideas. He was a naturally funny bloke. Mikey started performing at a very early age to whoever wanted to watch him, but his father had a difficult time with Mikey Baby's want to be in comedy.
I like your fancy suit. Is that what they're wearing up in Yorkshire now? Tungsten carbide drills? What the bloody hell's tungsten carbide drills?
It's something they use in coal mining, Father.
It's something they use in coal mining, Father. You bloody fancy talk since you left London.
His humour wasn't to be nasty, so his personality wasn't really lent for that kind of style. You see, Sugar Plum's talents were more in his ability to create a lot of characters for various sketches, as we can see.
I said, what a simply super dad. Catch?
Pussycat was easily the most liked because of his good nature, but due to that good nature, Ancient Drawers was most easily a pushover except when he was hungry.
The scene in your film of the Sermon on the Mount is not ridiculing one of the most sublime utterances that any human being has ever spoken on this earth. Of course it is.
That's really unfair, because I think that a lot of people looking in will think that we have actually ridiculed Christ physically. Christ is played by an actor, Ken Colley. He speaks the words from the Sermon on the Mount. He's treated absolutely respectfully. The camera then pans away and goes right to the back of the crowd to someone who shouts, "Speak up," because they cannot hear him. Now, I mean, if that utterly undermines one's faith in Christ, then I think faith cannot be terribly strong.
I started off by saying that this is such a 10th-rate film that I don't believe that it would disturb anybody's faith.
I know you started with an open mind, I realise that.
He probably hadn't had his biscuits and tea. Frank was my favourite amongst the group, second to probably only John Cleese, and despite them playing well off each other, Palin and Michael often wrote more with Terry Jones than any other Python.
Terribly bad memory for names, or what's the name of that country where they don't make watches at all? Spain?
That said, you're a few short of Sir Michael Palin.
But I am a chartered accountant.
Darling, well, back to the office with you then.
No! You don't understand. I've been a chartered accountant for the last 20 years. I want a new job. Something exciting that will let me live.
Well, chartered accountancy is rather exciting, isn't it?
Exciting? No, it's not. It's dull. Don't you see, I came here to find a new job, a new life, a new meaning to my existence. Can't you help me?
Well, do you have any idea of what you want to do?
Yes, I have.
What?
Lion taming!
Yes. Of course, it's a bit of a jump, isn't it? I mean, chartered accountancy to lion taming in one go. You don't think it might be better if you worked your way towards lion taming, say via banking?
No! I don't want to wait. At 9 o'clock tomorrow, I want to be in there taming.
Fine. But do you have any qualifications?
Yes, I've got a hat. Yes, a hat, a lion taming hat, a hat with lion tamer on it. I got it at Harrods, and it lights up saying lion tamer in great big neon letters, so you can tame them after dark when they're less stroppy.
I see.
Oh, shut up! Right, that's better. Now for something completely different, a man with 3 buttocks.
We've done that!
Oh, all right! A man with 9 legs.
He ran away.
Oh, bloody hell.
Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition. Our chief weapon is surprise. Surprise and fear. Fear and surprise. Our 2 weapons are fear and surprise. And ruthless efficiency. Our 3 weapons are fear and surprise and ruthless efficiency and an almost fanatical devotion to the Pope. Our 4. No. Amongst our weapons. Amongst our weaponry are such elements as fear. I'll come in again.
I didn't expect a kind of Spanish Inquisition.
Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition. Amongst our weaponry are such diverse elements as fear, surprise, ruthless efficiency, and almost fanatical devotion to the Pope and nice red uniform. Oh, damn. I can't say it. You have to say it.
What?
funny about Biggus Dickus? Well, it's a joke name, sir. I have a very great friend in Rome called Biggus Dickus. Silence! What is all this insolence? You will find yourself in gladiator school very quickly with rotten behavior like that. Can I go now, sir?